Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. By the way, this is Mentor Joba, a political science instructor, and my goal here is to guide students on their studies. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so without further ado, let's start! So we already discussed what is an organizational culture. So now, let me give you the importance of organizational culture. So if you might be wondering, bakit kaya importante ang organizational culture? Malay nyo, magkakaroon kayo ng sariling company in the future, or magiging boss kayo sa isang company or sa isang organization. You have to know this para ito din yung mga tutulong sa inyo sa leadership ninyo. What are the 5 importance of an organizational culture? So here are they. Number 1, improve your brand identity. Number 2, produce happier employees. Number 3, increased productivity. Number 4, employee retention. And the last is healthy workspace. Okay, so let's go back to number 1. It says here that one of the importance of an organizational culture is to improve your brand identity. So, paano kaya? Sabi dito, a company's organizational culture influences its inner workings and how others see you, affecting its reputation. Okay, so yung mga ina-apply, yung mga organizational culture na ina-adapt ng mga companies sa kanilang kumpanya, na isang malaking bagay ito para maipakita sa lahat ng tao or maipakita na maganda ang kanilang kumpanya. Kaya nga yung binigay nating example, let's say for example, Google, that they focus more on the improvement or they focus on the benefits of their employees. Okay? So, affected daw ang ating company kung paano ang ipinapatupad nating organizational culture. And in that way, your company will be known to others. Yung kapag narinig nila yung pangalan ng company mo, alam na nila kung anong meron kayo. Sabi ko nga, pag sinabi mong Google, mahihikayat mo, may encourage mo yung mga tao or masasabi mismo ng mga tao na ang Google na company ay maganda. Dahil binibigyan nila ng halaga ang mga buhay ng mga empleyado nila. Okay? As opposed to a company kung saan hindi nila alam magbigay ng respect or magbigay ng benefits sa mga employees. Pero rare lang yan. Okay. Second is to produce happier employees. Okay. Organizational culture also can produce happier employees. Sabi nila dito, millions of employees dislike their jobs. You want your employees to avoid falling into the category. A company with a stellar work culture tends to have satisfied employees who look forward to each day of work. A positive atmosphere will surely impact your staff mood and behavior. In this case, happier employees equals increased productivity. Okay. So, that's clear. So, kung maganda ang kultura ng organization na yan, maganda ang kultura ng company na yan, ibig sabihin, masaya din yung mga empleyado na nagtatrabaho doon. Kahit pa ang hirap-hirap ng mga pinapatrabaho or mahirap ang kanilang trabaho, nag-e-enjoy sila dahil maganda ang kultura ng company na yan. Inaalagaan sila ng kumpanya. Okay? Na kahit ang dami nilang workload, nagagawa nila dahil masaya sila. At sabi nga natin, kapag mas masaya ang mga tao, ibig sabihin, mas maraming produktong na ipapalabas or mas maraming targets na nami-meet. Okay? At yun, kapag masaya yung mga employee, na pupunta na tayo sa number 3, increased productivity. Okay? Mas nahihikayat yung mga empleyado mo na magtrabaho dahil alam nila na kapag ginawa nilang mabuti ang kanilang trabaho, mapapansin sila ng company. At minsan may mga company nagbibigay din ng merit sa mga best employee, sa mga empleyado na nagmi-meet talaga ng target nila at na gumagawa ng kanilang tungkulin bilang empleyado. Okay? So it can also boost their morale. Yung bang tataas ang kanilang moralidad dahil wala silang iniisip na ay punta tayo papasok na naman ako ngayon, ganito na naman yung boss ko, ganito na naman, wala namang binibigay sa atin, or hindi naman tayo, sinasabi naman nila na walang employee-employer relationship, kaya wala din lang. Kaya yung iba sa mga company na ganyan ang kultura nila, ang mangyayari, babagal ang productivity, and worse is that their employees will quit. Magre-resign na yung mga empleyado nila at maghahanap nila na sila ng magandang company. Okay? So that's one, to increase productivity. The fourth is to retain, is the employee retention. Okay? Sabi dito, it is rare for employees to quit a company that caters to their emotional and physical well-being. Totoo nga. Rare na mag-quit or rare na mag-resign yung mga empleyado na nakikita mo naman na maganda ang organizational culture. Okay? Kasi naman, yung mga dahilan kung bakit nakikwit ang mga empleyado is the bad organizational culture. Maling pamamaraan. Hindi naiintindihan ng mga leaders or hindi naiintindihan ng company ang kanilang emotional, mental, and social well-being. Okay? So, maririten ang mga empleyado mo kapag maganda ang organizational culture. Kapag binibigyan mo talaga ng diin ang kapakanan ng mga empleyado. Okay? So, that's the fourth. And the last is the healthy workspace. Sabi dito, organizational culture eliminates disputes, chaos, or animosity between team members. A healthy culture encourages a collaborative atmosphere where employees work to achieve the company's goals. Okay, so that's the last. It will create a healthy workspace. Okay, kung ang organizational culture mo maganda, nag-encourage ka ng collaborative work, ibig sabihin, masaya yung workspace na yan. Okay. Masaya dahil walang nasasaktan, wala yung feeling nilang ang bobo nila, dahil nga lahat ine-encourage na umangat din. Lahat binibigyan ng pansin, binibigyan ng halaga. Okay. So, nagkakaroon ng magandang pagsasama, nagkakaroon ng friendship among the workers. Okay. Na pre-prevent yung pag-aaway nila, pagpo-post nila ng kung ano-ano sa social media dahil sa isang kasama nila. So, those will be prevented if the organizational culture is good. Alright, so that ends our tutorial for today. And if you have any question, please write them down on the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. You may also share this link to your friends and classmates. So goodbye everyone!